Welcome everyone. My name is Samantha and you guys are all here for an awesome geology activity, right? So today we're going to be making the Earth, specifically the Earth with all of its layers. So this is what our final project is going to look like. See? Now, before we dive into our project, it's a good idea to get some background information about the Earth and about what we're going to be studying. So today we're going to be making the Earth out of layers. So the Earth that we live on is made of layers below our feet. The first layer is the inner core. So in this example, that's going to be yellow. It's mostly solid, like a really hard rock. After that, around it is the outer core, which is a little more liquidy. It kind of flows around the inner core. And in this one, it's going to be orange, or in mine, it's a little bit pink, but that's okay. Yours will be orange. Now, after the outer core, we have the mantle. The mantle is the thickest layer. It's made of lots of rocks. Some solid, some a little bit softer. But for the most part, it's a solid. It doesn't move around too much, except for when there's weird activity on the crust, like earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and other events like that, which can be kind of scary, especially for us living on the crust, which is the last layer. So the crust is mostly made of rocks, but on top of it are the oceans, the continents, trees, soil, and all the things that we need to make life on Earth. So in this example, that's going to be blue and green, like so. And below that, we have the mantle, which is red, the outer core, which is orange, or in mine, pink, and then the inner core, which is yellow. All right, who's ready to get started? I know I am. So the first part of the Earth we're going to make is our inner core. So you're going to take your yellow Play-Doh, which you should have separated into little baggies. And you can use all of your Play-Doh or maybe a little bit less too if you want to save some for some fun activities later. So I'm just going to use a bit of this one. I want to make it kind of small so that all of our other layers can fit around it nice and easy. Then I'm going to make it into a nice, clean circle or sphere, if we call it. Rolling it like this is a good way to do it. All right, so there's our nice round inner core. All ready for the next layer? So the next layer is our outer core, and we said that was going to be orange. So I'm going to get out my orange Play-Doh. And now we're going to flatten it out into a nice layer, like a pancake. So you can flatten it with your fingers, or if you have a rolling pin or anything else that you want to use to flatten it out, you can use those materials too. Now remember to put newspaper down before you get started with all of this so you don't make a big mess of your counter or table. But when you're flattening out your Play-Doh, it might stick to the newspaper a little bit, so it's a good idea to just do a little bit at a time or do it in your hands. All right. So now we've got a good size pancake, right? So once your pancake is all ready to go, you're going to put your yellow inner core in the very center of that, like so. It looks like a little flower. Next, you're going to fold the outer core all around the inner core. All right, and then you can roll it out a little bit in your hands just like this to make it a little more spherical, like our Earth. Wonderful. Okay, so our next layer is going to be the mantle. Now, for this activity, the mantle is going to be made of our red Play-Doh. And the mantle is actually the thickest layer of the Earth. So we want to try to show that today. So use a good chunk, if not all of your Play-Doh. The red stuff, at least. And you're going to flatten it out in the same way. But because it's thicker, we are not going to make it quite as thin as the other one. Quite as flat. All right, I'd say that's pretty flat. So now we're gonna put our outer and inner core in the center of the mantle, just like we did the last time. Makes a nice little flower. And now we're gonna fold all the edges up around it. Try to make sure that none of your orange outer core is showing. So get everything covered as well as you can. I'm going to roll it in my hands again like I did the last one, just to make a nice, clean circle for our last couple layers here. Perfect. So the last layer we're going to be doing is called the crust, and that's what we all live upon. So what's a good way to show that? Probably oceans and continents, because those are the layers we see every day. So for our oceans, we're going to use blue, and for our continents, we're going to use green. So we're going to start with the oceans. Now this is going to be a pretty thin layer because it doesn't really make up a lot of the Earth's composition. So flatten your Play-Doh out nice and thin, and you don't have to cover all of this circle. You can just cover some areas and then cover the rest of those with the green. So I'm just going to take some nice little flat chunks like this and put them around to make my oceans. All right, there's one ocean. I've got another good one. Let's do this one on this side. And you can make your oceans connect, or you can make them be separated. However you want to do it. It's up to you. This is your planet to make. What a cool opportunity. All right, I'm just going to use a little more blue for a nice connected ocean here. I'm just going to flatten it out. I might just roll it around just a little bit to get it nice and smooth. Ooh. And I'm going to use my green. Now let's fill in those continents, shall we? All right, so continents come in all different shapes and sizes. So you can make your own however you want to. This one kind of looks like South America. So I'm just going to go with that. And just pat it down, make it nice and smooth. Make sure that there's not any red showing. The mantle should not be coming out of the crust. And you can make your continents kind of like the ones that we know today. So you can have an Arctic Circle, you can have Antarctica, Australia, North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia. You can do it however you want, really. Some connecting, some not. Or you can just do one big continent. However you want to make it. There we go. I've got a lovely Earth now. Now I think I might add a couple little islands. That might be a good way to do it, huh? I love Hawaii, so why not do a couple islands to show that? There we go. All right, so now our Earth is all done. Now, find a trusted adult, either your mom, dad, grandma, whoever is doing this activity with you, and they're going to cut a little chunk out of it so you can see all the layers. So I am an adult, so I'm going to do it myself, but make sure you find one for you. Okay. All right, lovely. So now in this example, we have our inner core, which is yellow. We have the outer core, which in mine is pink, but for you it'll be orange. We have our red mantle, and then our green and blue crust. Good job, everybody. Your Earths look great. Isn't it fun to learn about the Earth? You guys all have a good rest of your day, and I can't wait to see you in more summer activities. Bye-bye.